Yeah, if you guys are just coming in, I mentioned this right when I first got here. I kind of got sick while I was out touching grass this weekend, and I think it was because I was dehydrated. It was not a pleasant time. So I'm getting more serious about drinking the recommended amount of water daily, which is 5 bottles, and we are almost halfway on bottle number 4. And
Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water!
Okay!
Drink your fucking water!
Okay!
Drink your fucking water!
Okay! Okay!
Drink your fucking water!
Drink your fucking
I'm drinking!
water.
Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water!
I'm drinking it!
Fucking water!
Why is there no cooldown? There's no cooldown!
Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water!
I'm drinking!
Drink your fucking water! 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 Drink your fucking water!
I'm chugging!
Drink your fucking
I'm chugging it! I'm chugging!
Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water!
I'm trying to go fast!
Drink your fucking water!
This isn't healthy!
Drink your fucking water! 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 Drink your fucking water!
Okay, okay.
Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water! Drink your fucking water!
Please! I'm drinking! I'm getting flashbacks to the Elden Ring drinking stream where I had to take a sip of alcohol every time I died, but then I took a sip of water for every 5 gift subs, and then I had to pee because I drank too much water. I literally got up to piss like 8 times.